make sure you get comfortable. We have a lot of comfort settings in these seats, from air suspension seats and height adjustment to dampener and how much of a ride, bouncy or softer ride that you want, as well as lumbar adjustment, seat pan adjustment, and thigh adjustment. You can pull up on the front of the seat and give yourself some more thigh support, kind of like you'd set yourself up in a car. There's lots of adjustments of the seat. Once you get comfortable in the seat, next you turn your attention to making sure you get these controls moved in around you. And we have a lot of adjustments on these controls, from an electronic pod that allows you to move and raise and lower these pods. That's an industry exclusive thing, making it easy for you to adjust throughout the day, or for multiple operators, or other things that you're looking for. The other thing you'll see is we have a forward and reverse, so you can get yourself comfortable with relationship to the pod to where you're at. Because really what you want as you lay this down is you want your elbow in front of your shoulder. So you kind of get that set up and kind of lay your arm down and see how far that control or that pod needs to move forward or back. The next adjustment we have here is we have an armrest, and this is multi-adjustable. So one control or one knob allows you to go up, down, angle, so you really can have that ability to set that up properly and keep your shoulder down and keep your elbow on the rest. And then as you get that adjusted, next thing you want to do is you can have a wrist rest adjustment. So you got to look at how you're gripping or how you're holding these joysticks. And some people have a preference of wanting some wrist rest or wrist support, and some people prefer not to. And you have that ability to adjust the setup of these control pods, really just truly allowing you to get comfortable. You know, something else that's in this seat that I didn't mention is the ability for an operator presence system. And what that operator presence system does is, when you get up off the seat, it sets the parking brake and locks out the hydraulics, so you don't inadvertently bump and the joystick and have a hydraulic command. So there are lots of things that are pretty neat setup. When we talk about the cab in general of this machine, you know, our front and our doors of this machine have laminated glass. We have extremely low sound levels, you know, really allowing the operator to, you know, listen to music, listen to the machine, go through what they need to, and really do not have a high level of noise. Also, as you look throughout, we have lots of storage area. We have an area up above in front of the cab for storage. We've got a little cubby over here for some small areas, as well as we have these optional storage bins that you see, as well as an area for a lunchbox on your right-hand side and some cleaning supplies and other things if you do need. We have that capability and excellent storage throughout this machine. So when you look at the joystick setup of these machines, I mean, obviously, again, the controls are easy to use, intuitive. You move the control in the direction you need to have an input for the machine. You got that follow steer, allowing those front wheels to follow where that joystick is. We have floor-mounted controls, and just the ability for this operator to get comfortable, sit back, and have a long, productive day.